Say, smile. Hello, everybody. Sandra here.
And Louis.
And what's your name? Mimi. And that way. Look that way.
There, buddy.
Jules. So we have Mimi and Jules with us today. Thank you so much for tuning back into our channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And really thank you so much for being part of our journey, part of our adventure, because we love sharing not only our adventures with you, but also the little things that happen during our journey, because RV living, yes, life throws you lemons. So today we are going to unbox #kids. Go ahead, go with Jules.
We're going to be unboxing some Sea Eagle 420s.
We are very excited, so join us in for this unboxing today.
I will not be one shoe Lou again.
So we began the unboxing process. We had 4 boxes total to unpack, and we had the Sea Eagle 420 Deluxe package and the 420 Pro package. The only difference between both of them is the seats and then the paddles. On one of the packages it is slightly longer. Other than that, the entire package is the same thing. It has the foot pumps, the repair kits, the seats, the paddles. And one of the packages also has the storage bags. So I will put the links below, that way you guys can check out the difference between both packages. So here we are unboxing more paddles, air pumps, more paddles, and these are the seats that we're using for the kids. Another seat for the kids. And Louis is going to show you what it looks like. So these you actually fill up with air, and in the back they do have a little storage, which is really nice. And they're actually pretty comfortable. Next box, as Louis opens it up, this actually has the kayak itself. So it comes in a pretty nice size package. Something that we are considering getting for it is an actual book bag, because Sea Eagle does sell book bags to put the kayaks in, which is nice. What Louis is holding is the actual repair kit. And here's the unboxing of the kayak. We were trying to figure out where to put it. And we figured we'd put it back in the box. So, ta-da! Check it out. And it has quite a few straps, but it's not very complicated. And it actually folds, the way it comes out, it actually does fold back in that way when putting it away. So, pretty impressed with it. So here we are, unwrapping the kayak. And it is folded up not too many times. This specific model is 14 feet long, 39 inches wide, and it is only 42 pounds. So it's super light, and it's unbelievable that it actually can hold 855 pounds. Say what?
So this is how the pump looks before. We have 2 of them, and then that is after. It opens up, yeah, like that. And then you put this tube, and you put this piece. And our fellow nomad, One Shoe Lou, is going to show us how to do this. Any bets on how long this takes? Oh, do not use air compressor. Wow.
So, we were extremely impressed with the foot pump. I actually was telling him, why don't we use an air compressor? But I had not read the directions, but he had seen that Sea Eagle does not want you using an air compressor. You do not want to ruin your boat. So we are definitely following the directions to make sure that our kayaks, our new kayaks, stay good. So it only took 8 minutes and it was his first time. So we're extremely impressed that it only took 8 minutes to blow up the entire kayak, seeing that it is so large. Now the seats that came with the one package are the ones you're seeing now. They are the 2 black seats and they are extremely comfortable. I love the little pouch in the back with the zipper. Oh my goodness. These seats, we literally were in the kayaks for about 4 hours one day, which you will see in a later video when we are actually reviewing it and showing, out on the water. But we had no back pain. It was incredible. And these seats that you're seeing right now, these are the ones that we're using for the kids, and these actually do blow up. It's only a few pumps and they are full of air. They are pretty comfortable too. Something that I noticed is that because they are blown up, they're a little bit out more. They sit up higher. Mimi was very excited because this was her seat, she was calling it. So yeah, she was super happy jumping up and down. And these seats, they just basically go right in and they also clip in just like the black one. So up next we have one of the paddles, and these just come in 3 pieces. You just put them together and voila. Now Lewis is walking the kayak to the truck, that way we can go try it out. We are actually right on the Yellowstone River at the time of recording this. So it's pretty exciting, very epic scenes to look at. So how do you feel about the overall setting up of it?
Quick, fast, and easy.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like the air mattress. Now you're there for an hour with the pump.
Literally, it was our first time and it took about 20 minutes.
Total.
Now that I know what I'm doing, I could probably do that in 10.
Yeah. And
it's really impressive, that little foot pump. I was pretty impressed with it because I mean, I think on the sides, maybe we got like, what, 30 pumps tops?
Yeah. And
you're pretty much up to about 10 PSI, and you really can't put no more air in it. So that's kind of how you know you're done. And works great. Now we're gonna test it out.
So it's really neat that Lewis is able to carry this right over his head without it being too heavy. Super convenient. So he basically just walked it from the truck over into the Yellowstone River. This river did have rapids, but the kayak handled it just well because it is actually a kayak that is capable of handling class 4 rapids. So this was a very big thing for us, seeing that if you did not see the video where Lewis was kayaking down the Arkansas River in Colorado, we almost lost him. That's where the One Shoe Lou nickname came about, because the rapids were catching underneath the hard sit on top kayak and flipping him into the water, which was pretty crazy because the rapids were pretty strong. So we decided to trade those, get rid of those, and go with Sea Eagle after reading not only that they are extremely convenient for RVers, because obviously space is something to consider, and these are inflatable, you can put them away, you don't have to carry them in and out like we had to do with our sit on top, and they're way more versatile because we can kayak in rivers, or we can go down rapids, or we can kayak in rivers, or lakes. So this was a huge factor for us. So we are very happy with our Sea Eagles, and we highly recommend for everybody to check them out. Sea Eagle has a huge line of different options, everything from fishing boats to paddle boards, and everything is inflatable and of quality, and their customer service is incredible. And stay tuned for the next video where we will show you actual kayaking in our Sea Eagles, enjoying the beautiful epic scenery around us, and an actual review of the kayak. This was just the unboxing and a little glimpse into what we thought just from unboxing it and trying it out for the first time. So, see you next time. Thank you so much again for taking time out to hang out with us, check out our new Sea Eagle Kayaks, and everybody that has been part of our journey, thank you so much. And just for watching this, you're part of our journey. So thanks again. You guys have an awesome day. See you in the next video. And don't forget, I am Sandra with First Class RV Adventures, where we support your dreams.